Nandito kami, sabi nga ni Nika, Carinderian Buffet, first time.
First time.
50 lang, 50.
50 baht? Ano yun?
50,000
Dong.
dong
Dong.
is
How
equals to
much?
100 pesos.
100 more.
We're here in Square, Sapa Square, I guess. So we go in two direction towards Lake, Sapa Lake. So it's like very beautiful there. And after that, we're looking for something to eat. Hindi pa kami alam what we're gonna eat. And then,
Are we going towards doon? Pwede tayo tumawid dito if we're going from...
Okay, dito tayo, tabi tayo dito. Okay.
Lumabas na yung bola nila. Football din pala yung...
yeah, so far today we were in Sansipan. Ano? Tama ba sinabi ko? Sansipan.
Fancy fan.
Pansipan. Okay, so the peak in Indonesia. In
Vietnam.
Vietnam. No, it's there. No, in
It's,
China.
yeah, Southeast Asia.
Very fat siya. So it's like 3,100 something
Meters.
meters away from the sea level. Ang ganda siya. Like you're above the sky. Pero parehas kami nang nagkaroon ng a bit lightheaded because of the, I guess, oxygen deficiency. So, huminga kami doon. Malalim. And now, we rest a bit and going towards the city. Hanap ako ng toys for my son. And a bit of, cultural. We want to discover what they're selling. Kaya lang wala tayo Vietnamese money.
Credit card.
Alright. So, come over here to check
3
Vietnam.
minutes away. Mike 1.
Barbecue.
Barbecue sa Sapa, lalo na baka.
Dito ba tayo, brother? Wow. Huli, fresh talaga, oh. Babi, huli, tapos luluto. Lulutuin.
Is the what?
No. Pero lalaki ng catfish, oh.
Oh, I don't eat catfish.
Meron ako ganyan
Baka kalmutin ako sa
sa lake namin na Mare.
Catfish? Ihawin natin.
yung pakainan ko.
Wala rin yung menu.
Okay.
Is the one?
Mike Juan. Okay.
I'm quite hungry.
Oo nga pala, wala kasi tayong lunch. Okay, ito yung nakita namin sa TikTok. Mike Juan. This for our dinner. Nagulat sila nung he offered horse. Pero ayaw ni Sis Nika ang horse. Ano ba yung pusa? There you go. It's a cat cafe.
There's a cat.
Cat cafe.
Yeah.
Yung ano?
No. Dapat ano tayo upuan?
You want the chairs?
Yeah. Upstairs meron pa. Thank you. Okay. Gusto mo sa may labas? View. Ito kami sa 3rd floor. Pero na kami ngayon.
Okay. Horse page.
Yeah, the horse page.
The horse page is done.
Okay.
So, tatama.
Pass sa horse page.
Okay, braced po.
Okay. Hot pot.
Guys, let's start our facial. This is the steaming process.
Sino magluluto? Si Eric?
This is the cleansing process.
Dami food.
Ito may
Hot pot, salmon, chicken. juice. Napaka-healthy naman ni Sis Nika.
Just
Kama,
today.
kami ni Brother Ed. Yes, of course, Hanoi Beer. Pabalik na kami ng hotel para sa aming scheduled massage. Yun no, possible dyan meron. Naghahanap kami ng toys para kay Nathan. Wala na ba tayong wala na tayong TikTok? Wala na.
Bukas sa hotel, sa lobby. Kulang tayo pero nagaganda tayo.
On our way to our massage and swimming. Lamig. It's okay. Mahaba din, parang semi-Olympic yung distance, 25 meters. Okay, that's parang at Mark. Si Ana hindi magsi-swimming dahil wala siyang swimwear. Ready?
I think for the herbal bath, is it like the sauna? I think you don't need.
I don't need.
Yeah,
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Because the herbal
Oh.
bath is the temperature about 38 to 39 degrees.
Oh, nice.
Okay.
So what's this? Lavender?
Orange and
Signature.
Ano sa'yo, brother?
Lavender, orange, and
Spa signature.
Spa signature. Ano?
spa signature?
Yes.
Like we have our
I'll go for lavender.
Okay, this is our room. Oh, these are bathtub.
underwear inside.
Yeah.
Okay. And massage.
Yes. So the upper.
Oh, nice.
Change the
Beautiful. Beautiful.
So 30 minutes.
Yeah, for 30 minutes.
Okay, so sabi ni ate, bath.
See the shower room here and the
Shower room first. Okay. Wow, very classy. So ito, okay, we're done with our jacuzzi. Ready, babe?
Herbal bath.
Herbal bath. That's what they call it.
It's traditional herbal.
Okay, so we did like 25 minutes of that. Okay, we'll just wait for like another 5 minutes. So that's your area. Our last day here in Sapa. Pabalik na kami sa Hanoi. Si Ana bumibili ng vegan for Nikki. Ano yan?
Starbucks
Oh, wow.
The drink.
Yeah, Dulce ka, espresso Asian Dulce, coconut.
Yeah. Ayun ang kahapon.
Oo. Oh, wala tayong ganun, no? Na Philippine only, no? Paano man sabing quality?
Quality, not just the
Because-
beef. Look at the peppercorn. It's a pink peppercorn.
Oh.
Isa sa
Okay
mga pinakamahal na peppercorns.
Oh,
yan.
wow. Okay.
So they use quality. Ito, gusto ni Ian to mga to. Si Ian kasi maarte sa pagkain.
Good to know, good to know.
Chicken curry. Chicken curry.
Why did you order so much?
This is R&D.
R&D. Done with our lunch. Sobrang busog. So, nandito na ngayon yung aming van para papuntang Hanoi. Then, diretso na kami airport. Siguro another dinner lang kasi ang check-in pa namin is 10 p.m. para makapasok kami sa airport. So, 3 a.m. pa ang aming magiging flight ni Ana. Okay, so, ito na yung sundo. Let's go! Okay, ito yung party bus namin. Okay, dito naman kami sa second floor. Yeah, okay. Yes, yes.
Saan kayo?
Ito naman, palitan man tayo. Kayo naman nasa first row. So, nasa
Ito totoo broccoli.
Nasa na yung broccoli ni Edmark? Nasaan na?
Rice there is a set.
Ayun, broccoli ni Edmark. Oh. Yan.
Kailangan may tumatawag. Kaya biglang ang daming gustong ipadagdag.
Billionaire yan ah. Billionaire yan pero.
Anong oras na ba, Edmark?
Hindi ko alam sa watch mo. Parang Batman yan. Ano?
Mukhang mamimiss ko to. Kailangan na ibalik. Baka mamaya madala ko to sa airport.
May message ko na si Paring G eh. May message ko na si Paring G.
Ayan na.
Sabi niya bibisitahin ka raw niya sa Torres Farm.
Pressure cooker. Ayan na. Okay, so dito muna kami mag-stay for a few hours, get some dinner. Bago kami pumunta sa airport kasi masyado pang maaga pag kami pumunta sa airport. Wala kayo naiwan na.
Wala.
Ayan na.
Hindi ako ng tip.
Sige, okay. Ito na. Dito kami sa... Thank you. Iwan na lang natin yung atin. Ito. Dito kami sa... street to. Parang ano lang. Small street. Tapos yun. Barbecue.
Trong mà hết rồi thì bỏ ra.
Okay. Nice. Tambay lang. Parang sa tambay lang kami. Aling ang ulo lang. Wow.
Ha? Mas mahal dito, 120 doon, 50.
Galing, oh.
Pag ganun dapat atabi. Is that a basketball? Pag ganun ata dapat tayo.
Still, naghahanap kami ng makakainan dito sa small street. Hindi na kami lumabas kasi mas okay na sa amin siguro yung barbecue. Maraming massage area. Sari-sari store. Okay, bumalik kami sa una namin nakitang kainan. Ayan na, Nika, yung ano, barbecue. Ayan, mukhang marami. May nagti-take out pa. Mukhang okay dito, ano? Okay, meron yan.
Do you have beer?
Yeah, coffee.
You know, in beer ka? Fishball.
Kaya nandito kami, sabi nga ni Nika, Carinderian Buffet, first time. Yeah.
50 lang, 50. Isang daan.
Baht? Ano yun?
50,000 dong is equals to 100 peso.
Almost 100 more.
100 peso, look at that. Unlimited, ano to? Unli. Buffet.
Sarap ng barbecue ah.
Talaga? Masarap yung bamboo.
So, habang naghihintay sa aming check-in, ano muna kami, foot and hair massage. Massage, yes. Siya pumihiya na. Peace. 1, 2, 3. Guys, we're here now at the airport. Marami. Okay, I think check-in. See you later, guys. See you in the Philippines. Inside, nakapasok na kami sa immigration. Look at this beautiful dragon. It's 2 a.m. So sleepy. We're finally going to the airplane and sleep right away, right? Alright, we're here, guys, in the Philippines. See you kids later.